and E. As you see, they make the O sound in most words where they're found. On your 2 feet, you have toes. And there's a gardening tool that's called a hoe. The sound goes O. The O does the talking, the E doesn't make a sound. But it also goes ooh. It also goes ooh. Like in the word shoe. And in canoe. Those are the only words that I can think of. O and E. As you see, they make the O sound and sometimes ooh. Yes, it's true that O and E make the O sound and sometimes ooh, do, 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 do. When you see O next to E, just remember, the O does the talking and the E doesn't make a sound.